Welcome back to Happy Voyagers. Travel with a smile. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful travel trends of 2025, regenerative travel. This isn't just about seeing the world, it's about healing it. Imagine going on a trip that not only recharges your soul, but also restores nature and uplifts local communities. Let's explore the inspiring destinations where your journey truly makes a difference. You've heard of sustainable travel, reducing your impact, minimizing waste, but regenerative travel goes a step further. It asks, how can I leave a place better than I found it? It's about supporting local economies, rebuilding ecosystems, and connecting deeply with the land and its people. Think eco-lodges that plant trees, tours that fund wildlife conservation, or farms that welcome travelers to learn, grow, and give back. Costa Rica is the heart of ecotourism. Stay in jungle lodges in Monteverde where 100% of your energy comes from renewable sources. Take guided wildlife tours that help fund sloth and jaguar conservation. Visit coffee farms that grow with biodiversity in mind. Every step here feels connected to nature. So, Bhutan is actually the only carbon-negative country in the world. With its high-value, low-volume tourism approach, Bhutan limits visitor numbers to really protect its unique culture and pristine nature. Travelers get the chance to explore mystical monasteries, hike through untouched mountains, and even contribute to local wellness and education projects. Often overlooked, Slovenia is honestly Europe's green gem. You can kayak through these stunning emerald rivers, explore incredible underground cave systems, and stay in eco-farms where slow food and sustainability are just a way of life. It's truly a haven for mindful travel. You don't need to go far or spend a fortune to travel regeneratively. Start by picking accommodations that give back, like eco-lodges, community-run stays, or small businesses. Look for tours that are led by locals. Offset your flights if you can. Even something as simple as packing lighter helps reduce your carbon footprint. The real key is to travel with intention. Regenerative travel reminds us that we're not just visitors, we're actually stewards. Every trip can be a ripple of positive change. So the next time you plan a getaway, try to think beyond the selfie. Think about how your smile can help the world smile back. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring journeys. Your support means a lot to us and helps us create more content like this. Many thanks for watching and for your support. We hope you travel the world with a smile and become happy voyagers. Until next time, peace to all.